Hello guys, welcome to another session of Intellect Pantomath. Today we will discuss importance of investing in stocks and we have a surprise element for you. So please watch this video till end. Let's begin this session with a story. There are two friends, Sam and John. Both are meeting after pandemic. Hello Sam, how are you? I'm fine John. How are you? I'm doing great actually. Just bought a new car. How? You must have used your savings in this pandemic, right? Nope. I started with investment activities months back and as a result got great percentage of return. How? I mean, FD's current account saving accounts interest rate are less than 4 to 5% or at most 6%. And investing in stock market is quite risky. No. At first, I understood the importance of investment and then learned stock market movements, how share price changes, what are the sentiments about fundamental investment, and then came up with investment planning in stocks. Yeah, I have heard that stock market gives great return, but I even saw people losing lakhs of rupees in stock market. That's how it works. So better to invest in instruments like 3 to 4 percentage of return. No, let me explain you with a practical example. I wanted to buy a phone worth rupees 21,000, but as of now I only do have 20,000. So following are few situations showing what could be my rate of return after a year. Will I be able to buy a new phone or not? If yes, then under which instrument? At the beginning of the year 2001. Situation 1. I have put 20,000 rupees in my locker. Situation 2. I am depositing 20,000 rupees in savings account giving me 3.5 percentage rate of return. Situation 3. I am having fixed deposit of those 20,000 considering 6 percentage of return. Situation 4. I am investing 20,000 rupees in stock market considering 15 percentage of return. A year has passed and it's 2002. Due to inflation around 7%, phone prices increase. The price of the cell phone now is 22,470 rupees. Situation 1. I open my locker in 2002 and I see 20,000 rupees as I left, not increase or decrease in a single penny. Situation 2. Under savings account, I got 20,700 rupees. Situation 3. At the end of year considering quarterly interest rate in FD, I earn around 1,227 rupees and maturity value is now 21,227 rupees. Situation 4. By investing in stock market without considering compounding, I will be getting 23,000 rupees. In case of buying the phone, considering inflation, let's see how much extra I need to pay or my available balance. Under locker scenario, I need extra 2470 rupees. In savings account situation, I need 1770 rupees. Talking about fixed deposit, I need more 1243 rupees. And by investing in stock market, I have a surplus amount of 530 rupees. In case of considering inflation in percentage, under locker scenario, after a year, I made loss due to rise in inflation. That means without using single penny of my income, I will be losing some amount because of the price rise. And that is why investment is very important. Same will be the situation with savings account and FD, but stock market has beat the inflation rate. So please to understand the country's situation and environment. Plan investing according to your comfort, but do keep inflation and risk associated with the investment in mind. And never do invest in a business you don't understand. I hope now you are clear with your basics. Yes, but where can I learn investment at free? Intellect Pantomath is coming with a series called Fundamental Analysis for Equity Investment on Instagram and YouTube. Here is the poster of the series. That's great. I'm definitely looking forward to this. and also will tell others to follow Intellect Pantomath. Cool. See you then. Bye. Bye. So guys, now you know value of investing in stocks. And we are coming with a complete series on stock market investment covering the basics like how stock market works. 2. How to start investing, how to register in discount brokerage application and what are the documents required. Till advance of fundamental investing like finding value of stocks, learning ratios and more. If you find this video entertaining, useful, and learning, then please do like, comment, and share so that others can also learn things at free and can take advantage of upcoming stock market series. Follow Intellect Pantomath on Instagram and YouTube. Thank you.